There are a couple of different backup systems built into Macs and Viz, and these can help protect you from file corruption and your own mistakes. They're meant to supplement the practice of manually incrementing files. Go to the Customize menu and choose Preferences, and then go to the Files tab. Right here there's an option called Backup on Save. What this does is, let's say that I press Control S while I'm working in Small Office 6. Normally that would overwrite the existing file, right? Well, if you have Backup on Save checked, what happens is in the Auto Back folder inside the project folder, you'll find the maxback.bak file right here. This gets created when you overwrite an existing file name. So the original version of Small Office 6 can be found here. In order to recover that, all you have to do is rename the file with the .max extension and you'll be able to open it. By the way, these files here, maxhold.back and maxhold.mx, get created by hold and fetch. This file is actually the hold buffer. This file gets created when you hold a second time. This is the previous .mx file. So we have multiple levels of backup here. It's a little like rock climbing. When you put a piece of hardware into the rock, you want to have multiple backups so that if one piece fails, you're still covered. Now here we're not going to plummet to our deaths, but we could stand to lose a great deal of time and effort. So it's good to have these backups. Now these files up here represent a different independent backup system called Auto Backup. And it's controlled here. It's enabled, and we've set it to create 3 Auto Back files. It will create a new file every 5 minutes. And this won't happen if you're just sitting there and nothing's happening. But if you are working, the timer will tick by, and after 5 minutes of working have gone by, it will save an Auto Back file. So after 5 minutes it will save this one, and after 10 minutes it will save this one, 15 minutes here, and then 20 minutes it will overwrite the original file. So if you want to go back in time, you can just open up one of these Auto Backup files. The place where they are saved is controlled in another place, and that is under Configure User Paths on the File I/O tab right here. This is the folder within the project folder where your backup files are stored.